Hi, in this video I'll show you how to get Opus 5 model for free. There are some restrictions, but you can overcome it. Use it everywhere you want like Visual Studio Code extension, CLI like Claude Code, Open Code, or applications like Claude App or Cursor. So less talking, more looking. Go to this website, Agentrouter. It's Chinese one, and probably they can take your activity data for learning models. Not really good for serious commercial projects, but we are not about it. It's good for students or people who want to get some profit from this. Use invite link from the description to get additional $50 of free usage. You can sign up with GitHub, so you have to register GitHub account first if you don't have it yet. Then I go to the dashboard to show that I got $175 of free usage. You can't transfer this balance, it's only for using an API key. I'll also tell you later in this video how to get more trial money. Then go to API token page, and just click on Create Token. Enter any name you want. I leave token group as default. Expiration time is never expires. I set quota is unlimited. And don't set any restriction for model, then we can use any of them. Click Submit, and I have the API key. You can copy this one anytime you want. How to use the key. Go to Docs. And select here the platform you want to use. I want to work with Claude Code CLI. You can see some text is Chinese, but it's kinda understandable. Install Node.js from the official website. And then check if it's installed. You'll see the version of Node.js. The next step, install Claude Code CLI on your PC. Just use this command. And then check the version as well. Then go to the folder where the Claude is installed. In my case it's my user directory. Find Claude, then open config.json file. You can use any text editor. Your config should look like this. I'll leave this in the description. You have to add your API key here. Go to the Agentrouter and copy this one. Paste it. And also enter the model you want to use. The last one is Opus 5. Save it, and the installing is over. To run it, open the terminal in any folder you want. Make sure there is no any important files or documents there. The best thing is just creating a new folder for this. Then in the terminal enter Claude, and now you can use it. Opus 5 is really cool model that can really help you. The next thing I want to show you is how to get more these money. You can make a new account and use your referral link, so you'll get $100 on the first account and $175 on the new one. What about usage? With some simple prompts like questions you'll spend less than 20 cents. But they'll take away more for hard tasks. For example, I generated 16 articles, and it costs about $30. I hope this video will help you. Subscribe if you want to get more free tools like this. Thanks for watching.